Good morning all. Welcome to my channel. Today I will this I will going to discuss about social aspects of gender role. This is the module 1. Now see. Introduction. The gender plays an important role in the social and economic life of the people. The society we live in teaches us which type of work and what kind of behavior is suitable for girls and boys on the basis of gender. These different roles assigned to the boys and girls by the society prepare them for their future roles as men and women. Most societies in the world value men and women differently. Now next is meaning of gender. The word gender refers to the fact of being male or female, especially when considered with reference to social and cultural differences. In fact, gender is a social construct and not determined by biological difference. By gender mean the many social values and stereotypes our cultures attach to the biological distinction of male and female. It is a term that helps us to understand many of the inequalities and relationships between men and women in a society. Now see next. Social aspects of gender role. There are certain social norms or values that determine roles expected to be performed by boys and girls in a family, community, schools, and public places. Next is gender roles in family. A family makes clear distinction between boys and girls even before the birth of a child. This is because quite often parents want a boy rather than a girl child. They are involved even in female fertilicides. Further, they usually treat their sons and daughters differently. They give them different toys to play with. For example, boys are generally given cards, planes to play with, while girls are given dolls. Gender roles in a community. Stereotypes. A stereotype can be termed as an image or idea of a particular type of person or thing that has become fixed through being widely held. Some examples of prejudices and stereotypes between boys and girls are: boys are naughty, girls are emotionally weak. Next is gender roles in schools. Schools are the temples of learning. Children gather here to gain knowledge and develop various skills. They learn many social behaviors like discipline, team spirit, cooperation, rules and regulations in the schools. Though many rules and regulations are same for boys and girls. For example, school uniforms. Next is gender roles in public places. For centuries, a woman is viewed as an object. This belief has influenced the attitude of people towards women. A serious feature of public places is that an increasing number of incidents of violence against women is taking place these days. A woman is subjected to acts of eve teasing and molestation in public places and sexual harassment at workplaces. Next is gender equality, last topic of this chapter. All these facts show the role of gender in creating unequal and hierarchical relations in a society. Although gender inequalities are still prevailing in our society, yet the opportunities available to women have considerably broadened over the years. In the present scenario, women are not only competing but also working with their head held high in all walks of life. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.